Hello everyone, today we're making this cute and simple Minecraft style flower. No glue, no tape, just folded paper and a bit of patience. In this video we'll focus entirely on how to build a flower. If you need help making the individual cubes or modules, check out my previous video, it's linked up here on the card or also in the description below. For this flower we'll use 4 colors, 2 shades of green for the stem and leaf, a yellow or cream cube for the center and a dark red for the petals. Cut your paper pieces to 4 cm by 2 cm, just like we did in the first video. You'll need 4 green cubes, 1 yellow cube and 4 dark red cubes. I'll show you the exact module count on screen, but if you're following along, just think 6 modules per cube plus a few extra for covers. Fold your modules and build your cubes. Once everything is ready, we can move on to the fun part, building the flower itself. From my experience, the easiest way is to build from bottom up. This way you avoid having to connect to build sections later, which can be tricky. We'll use 3 green cubes for the stem. Connect 1 cube at a time, just like in the last video. Take your 2 cubes, one with the vertical flaps and one with the horizontal ones, and tuck the flaps of one into the other. For the second side, I usually remove the top cover, connect the flaps and then put the cover back. That makes things much easier, especially for these small cubes. Always double check your connections. Gently pull the 2 cubes apart just a little. If they stay together, you've inserted the flaps correctly. If they come apart, it means the flaps might not be tucked in properly and you should adjust them. Repeat all until you've stacked all 3 green cubes. As you can see here, one side of the flap isn't fully inserted. And if you gently pull on the corners, the cube will start to separate. That's a sign something isn't locked in place properly, so always make sure both flaps are securely tucked in. Now, let's add the leaf. It goes into the side of the middle green cube. Insert it just like before. Flap into flap. Time for the petals. The yellow cube goes on top of the stem as the flower center. Now that the center of the flower is in place, you'll notice just how stable the structure already is. Just to prove it, watch this. Even when I toss it on the table, it holds together perfectly. That's the power of proper flap connection. Everything locks into place without any glue. Time for the petals. The yellow cube goes on the top of the stem as the flower center. Then, we add the red cubes around it to form the petals. Same method, 1 cube with vertical flaps, 1 with horizontal, tuck the flaps together and you're good. Now the flower is built, but as you can see we're still missing one small detail, the covers. Some parts like between the leaf and petal can be tight. Here's how to do it. Tuck the flap that's hardest to reach first, then add the second flap. Rotate the figurine if needed to get better access to the cube sides. One quick tip about the petals: don't try to insert the flap from the top. You won't have enough room to work at the bottom. It's much easier to go the other way around. Start from underneath and work upward, so your fingers have the space to move and you can see where the flaps need to go. And that's it, your first origami flower, Minecraft style. If you want to keep building, just right click here to watch the next tutorial. We're making a tulip next. Or you can check out the full playlist or even more Papercraft fun. See you there!